Let's try out some Estee Lauder products together. So I have the Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer and the Double Wear In Place Foundation. So this is supposed to be a gel cream primer that helps out with oil control throughout the day and helps to smooth out fine lines and pores. And that's the color. So I'm gonna take that amount and we're gonna work it onto my fingers here, and then we're just gonna work this on into my T-zone. So I'll come in a little closer. And you can see, really smooths out that texture in my T-zone. Gave like a Demi Matt finish to the skin, so softening, absolutely. And then we have the Double Wear Foundation. This foundation is transfer resistant, it's oil controlling, it's oil free, fragrance free, and it's dermatologist tested. So I have the shade 3W 1.5, and this is the color called Fawn. Let's give it a go. We're just going to blend this in. Foundation is a little bit more fluid-like, which I absolutely love. So you get more coverage in this. It's lighter weight. It's not heavy. You can see it definitely finishes more skin-like. It's thinner consistency, so you can really build up the coverage. But even just with that little swipe, blend it out, like really nice and even on this side. These two together, definitely a match made in heaven. If you are oily to combo skin, like this looks beautiful. And you can build the coverage. I love that it's not super heavy. 24-hour wear and helps out with oil control. Like, these two are a match.